How to see seconds on iPhone clock. Go to the home screen and touch and hold an empty area until the apps start to jiggle. Go to Edit at the top left corner and tap on Add Widget. You have now opened the widget gallery. Scroll and tap on Clock to view the available clock widgets. Swipe through the options and choose the analog style, which includes a moving second hand. Tap on Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Drag the widget to your preferred spot, then tap on Done at the top right to finalize. The analog clock now updates live, and the second hand moves smoothly around the face. This gives a clear view of the hours and minutes while also showing the exact seconds. You can check the precise time at a glance directly from the home screen without opening any app. Following these steps, you can easily see seconds on iPhone clock. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.